Climate change is often discussed using global averages like 1.5 degrees Celsius or 2 degrees Celsius of warming, but people don't experience climate change as a global average. They experience it locally through extreme weather events. Our project, the Climate Collective, helps users understand how climate change affects specific cities through changes in extreme heat exposure. Users can select from multiple California cities using either the drop-down menu or the interactive map. As they move through time using the slider, the visualization shows projected changes in extreme heat days from historical observations into future climate scenarios. The heat circle grows as extreme heat exposure increases. At the same time, the chart shows the transition from historical climate data to future projections under a high emissions scenario. This helps users see how climate impacts evolve over time rather than viewing climate change as a single number. Different cities experience climate change differently. Inland cities show substantially larger increases in extreme heat exposure compared to coastal regions. To make the visualization more relatable, we generate a city-specific explanation that summarizes how many additional extreme heat days residents may experience by the end of the century. A key goal of our project is showing that climate outcomes are not fixed. This chart compares high emissions future SSP 585 with the moderate emissions pathway SSP 245. While both scenarios warm over time, the moderate pathway significantly reduces the number of extreme heat days. The growing gap between these two lines represent the impact of climate action and emissions reductions. We also include a call to action visualization that highlights how lower emissions can reduce heat exposure, health risk, infrastructure stress, and other climate-related impacts. The Climate Collective transforms abstract climate statistics into a localized interactive experience. By connecting global climate models to places people actually live, we help users understand both the risks of climate change and the value of